proceed to number 7. So find dy over dx and simplify the result whenever possible. So for number 7, y is equals to x raised to the power of x squared. So having exponential of x squared, so we'll take both sides to its natural logarithm. So take note that ln, so we have ln of a raised to the power of b is equals to b ln of a, and the derivative, so we have, so take note of that. So we have multiplying both sides by natural logarithm is equals to ln y is equals to ln of x raised to the power of x squared. So we have ln of y is equals to ln of ab. So we have, where a here, a is equals to x, and b is equals to x squared. So we have b, so b is equals to x squared. So ln of a, so copy ln. So ln, so a is equals to x, so x squared ln of x. So we have, so we're now ready to differentiate both sides to its first derivative. So 1, so derivative of ln u is equals to 1 over u. So 1 over u is equals to y. So derivative of y is equals to y prime is equals to x squared. So derivative of ln of x equals to 1 over u. So u is equals to x. Derivative of x equals to 1. So plus ln of x. So derivative of x squared is equals to 2x. So let's simplify. So we have y prime is all over y is equals to. So we will cancel x. So we have x plus 2x ln of x. So because close bracket, so we have y prime is equals to y times x plus 2x ln of x. So take note that the value of y here in the example is equals to x raised to the power of x squared. So x raised to the power of x squared. So we have y prime is equals to, so just substitute. So x raised to the power of x squared. So x raised to the power of x squared times, so we will factor x. So we have 1 plus 2 ln of x. So we have y prime is equals to, so multiplication rule of the algebra. So we have x raised to the power of a times x raised to the power of b is equals to x raised to the power of a plus b. They have the same base. So we have x raised to the power of x squared plus 1 times 1 plus 2 ln of x. So this will be now our final answer. This will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So y prime is equals to x raised to the power of x squared plus 1. So y prime is equals to x raised to the power of x squared plus 1 times 1 plus 2 ln x. So times 1 plus 2 ln x. So this will be now our final answer. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.